Hello, welcome to Alicia Today. So today I just wanted to go over with you guys how to just start your small business, just start your YouTube channel, just do all the things that you want to do to have your financial freedom. So I'm going to do this video today and I'm just going to talk to you about like different streams of income that you can have so that you can basically just work towards your financial freedom. Some of these things are going to take time. You want to start working on them one thing at a time. So right now I'm working on doing some laser engraving, as you see right here. So this is for one of my streams of income, my small business. And what I do with this is I just work on projects that I do for my business. I have an Etsy shop and I basically just film videos of me making different products and show tutorials for people on how to do them. And I just do things like that. So I just wanted to basically talk to you guys about that. So I'm just gonna go outside since it's a nice day today and talk to you guys some more about it. Okay, so I'm outside. So I got a little bit of some little notes that I took just to talk to you guys about some of these streams of income that you could easily just start, especially if you're an introvert and you don't really like to get out and have to deal with people too much. Of course, you still have to deal with people, like if you have a business like I do on Etsy, to where you have to communicate with them and deal with any problems like that, but it's not like if you're doing like public speaking or anything like that. So I'm just going to get into it. So I just want to start off with my first stream of income would be my current job. So what you're currently consistently making money from. So it could be if you already have a small business, if you work for yourself, if you work from home, basically just whatever you already know you have your consistent income, that can be one of your streams of income. So I want to just share with you how you can make money either actively or passively. And so what that means is, actively means that you earn money directly through doing some type of work. So passively making money means you're just making money that's not actively, like you're not actively having to participate to make the money. So that can be like investing, rental properties, things like that. So basically the main difference between active and passive income is just the difference in the amount of participation that you have to put in. So I'm pretty much like in between. So I haven't actually gained like 7 streams of income, which you hear a lot of people talk about. But however, I am starting to continue to build on my different streams of income. And just know that you don't need to be working on having 7 streams of income or multiple streams of income at the same time. You want to take it step by step. So what you want to do is you want to focus on just one and then get that pretty much perfected before you move on. So that way you know that you understand how to do that one. Say if it's a passive one, all you have to do is just set it up, things like that. And then just know that you can try different things out for trying to get some type of different streams of income. So that means you can try things out and you determine that you don't like them, you could just move on from that. You keep trying things until you find things that work for you and that you enjoy doing. So I just want to go over like my journey so far. So far, like I said, my first stream of income would be having my full-time job. Then my second, which I tried to do, was start a YouTube channel, but that kind of just took off very slowly because I didn't really understand it. So I made my channel, I started posting videos, but I didn't actively try to get subscribers and put out a lot of videos. Like I just didn't understand that part. So then I moved on to starting an Etsy shop. That was the same thing. Like I kept hearing about you need to have a niche and this, that, and the other. And so I tried different things that, you know, I was interested in, but none of those things really interested me that much to where I could like have a lot of my creativity come out. So that one also was very slow. I really didn't see any progress on both my YouTube channel and my Etsy shop for years because I really didn't understand it. I started it, I tried to watch some YouTube videos on, you know, how you could grow it by doing marketing and stuff, but I just really didn't have the time to dedicate and understand how to keep moving forward with that. So then the fourth thing that really kind of like was a big thing for me that actually is making money for me and it's a consistent income is investing. So I first started investing through my job. So like if you have a matching for 401k, or if you have some type of retirement or some deferred compensation, make sure that you're contributing to that, because that's going to be a benefit to you in the long run, and it does help you tax wise as well. So what I did outside of the investing through my job for retirement is I set up an investing account with Fidelity, and I just do just like a stock account where I can just invest in different stocks. And I do have some individual ones. I do have some ones that give you like income. I can't remember what they're called, so I'll add that in when I can get the word. And then I started investing in cryptocurrency. I was kind of scared of at first, but I was just like, I'll just try, because they say to, when you do cryptocurrency, you just want to invest money that you can call like kind of play money, that you're not afraid of losing. So I started doing that, and over time, with the different things that has been happening with the stock market and things in the world, like right now, it's actually making me a lot of money. So just make sure you're investing, no matter how small, even if it's $10 a paycheck, whatever. If you just start investing, it will grow over time. The longer you have it in there, the more money your time is given for your money to grow. So just start. And even if you're afraid, just try to do like ETFs or type of mutual funds or bonds or stuff like that. You can invest that way. Another thing I do also too is have an emergency fund, and make sure you try to put an emergency fund in like a high yield savings, a CD, something that gives you more of a interest on your money than like just having it sitting in your checking or like a regular savings. Get one that gives you like a higher percentage or a higher return on your money. So then I circle back to dedicating more time to my small business. I finally found a niche that I liked and that worked for me. So then what I ended up doing was I started off with a couple of products that sold a little well, and then I decided to get into stickers. And stickers seems to be something that you think that are people really going to pay, you know, $3 or $4 for one sticker, and they really do. Just take the time out to make some designs that you feel that people will like. And that's pretty much what got my Etsy shop to kick off. And then from there, I just built off of different things that I thought that my customer base would like. And so then from there, my Etsy shop has started to grow. It's not where I want it to be, but it also is a stream of income that I do have coming in that maybe give me like a couple of $100s a month, which is better than nothing. Okay, so then after I got my Etsy shop up and going, started getting more customers, started getting some more reviews, I said, okay, what can I do to market my Etsy shop? So I started to get into Instagram and Facebook, and I don't do any of those things. I still don't quite understand them all the way, but I understand them enough to be able to do like some of the basic things. So that also drives in traffic. So I do my own marketing for my Etsy shop. And then I decided, okay, since I have spent all this time figuring out how to do these different things. So I have a laser engraver, I have a heat press, I have stuff to make notebooks, I have stuff to make notepads, tumblers, sublimation, like a Cricut. I have all those things. So I was practicing and doing more and more products, making them on my own. So my Etsy shop is pretty much all handmade, and I do run it all by myself. So it's kind of good that it's not like really exploding, but once it does, then I feel like I can also expand from there. But anyways, to get back to what I was saying, I decided that since I did take out that time, watched a bunch of tutorials on YouTube, and I said, you know what, I can do that. Because I watched some of the videos and I'm like, I don't like how you watch a lot of these videos and they kind of give you, this is what I made, but they don't give you the whole process. They say it's a tutorial, but they don't really give you every single detail. So I was like, well, I can base my channel off of making things that I already make, but then give the step-by-step on how you can make them, because I feel like that's very beneficial for people who are just starting out. So I've been gaining momentum on there. Once I started posting consistently, based off of basically showcasing my small business with the things that I'm making, my laser engraver, my channel actually finally got monetized. So it took me, I think, almost a year to get monetized, but it happened kind of quickly, if that makes any sense, because I made a video here and there, but then I decided, you know what, let me try to at least post 2 videos a week and stay consistent, try to do things that I'm not seeing other people doing. So I've had some videos that I made, and I saw like other YouTubers also make like the similar video, and I'm just like, oh, look at that. So I have sparked some inspirations from others for me being just a small channel. So that's exciting. So yeah, that's another stream of income for me, is my YouTube channel now. I am actually monetized on there as well. Let's see. So from there, once I started making videos and some of them started getting popular, I started to get companies contact me to ask me to promote their company or whatever. Some of them I didn't quite understand how my business would match or would go with what they want to promote, so I didn't really do any of those type of things. But then I said, okay, but what are the things that I do use? Can I get into that? So like where I buy my tumblers from, where I got my laser engraver from, where I purchase items like Amazon. I decided to be affiliate marketer or associate influencer or whatever, however you call it. I started to do those things. So I also have a stream of income coming from those for where I post links to my from my associate accounts or affiliate accounts. So then when people purchase, then I get a portion of that. So that's another stream of income I have. So I just wanted to let you know, like, if you're an introvert, which I'm not completely an introvert, I am able to, you know, get out there and interact with people, but like in general though, I feel like I'm more of an introvert. So if you are an introvert and you want to have an example of a business to where you can still have several streams of income and you're not having to do public speaking, and you don't have to invest in rental property, because that's something that I decided that I didn't want to do because it seems like it would be too much of an investment for me. Maybe down in the future I would do that, but for right now I'm not doing that. So as of right now, like I said, you're just working on your streams of income. So I'll make another video in the future once I maybe get closer to having 7. So right now I feel like I only have 5 streams of income. So those would be my job, my YouTube channel, my small business, which I have an Etsy shop, and doing affiliate marketing, associate, however they name it, through these different companies. And then I invest, so I have stocks and cryptocurrency. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn anything more about me, just let me know in the comments. Let me know what your streams of income are right now and what you think you want to focus on in the future. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.